Hey, have you ever wondered how artificial intelligence is being used to revolutionize industries around the globe? From self-driving cars to medical diagnosis to language translation, artificial intelligence is making an impact in a wide variety of fields. One of the hottest fields in artificial intelligence that makes all these crazy innovations possible is deep learning, an approach to AI inspired by the working of the human brain. So here we are introducing the Deep1 series, a complete deep learning series discussing everything you need to know to get started with this awesome technology that drives many industries around the world. In this series, we'll be covering everything you need to know to get started with deep learning, from the basics to advanced concepts and real-world applications. In our first episode, we'll be introducing deep learning and discussing what it is, how it differs from traditional machine learning, and the many potential applications of this powerful technology. Next, we'll delve into the building blocks of deep learning, starting with neural networks. We'll discuss the basics of neural networks and how they process and learn from data. Then, we'll take a deep dive into the concept of neural networks from scratch, including implementing a simple neural network in Python and the math behind them. In the following episodes, we'll be introducing some of the most popular deep learning libraries, including Keras and TensorFlow. We'll show you how to use these libraries to build and train your own neural networks and solve common deep learning tasks. We'll also cover advanced concepts such as regularization, dropout, transfer learning, and hyperparameter tuning. Finally, we'll showcase some real-world projects that demonstrate the power of deep learning in action. We'll provide tips and resources for choosing your own deep learning project and getting started with your own deep learning journey. So, if you're ready to learn more about deep learning and how it can be applied to solve real-world problems, be sure to tune into the Deep1 series. Thanks for watching, and we'll see you in the next episode.